Hello everyone, I'm welcome to yet another update on TBC. Okay, I'm doing this video to help those who cannot afford to pay the admin fee so that they can get information on TBC. Okay, this is my way of helping out the community by providing them with up-to-date information from the private blog of TBC admin. Okay, you guys know TBC admin monetized information on the blog and thereby making it hard and difficult for TBC members to get the right information, thereby falling for fake information, copiers of TBC, and other scam projects out there. Okay, so having said this, let's move on to the article celebrating 4th year anniversary of TBC. This was done over the weekend. Now, the TBC admin in this blog post recounted history of TBC, what happened in 2017, how we moved from that platform to another platform, how discounting affected TBC, and so many other things. Okay, most of you guys know about this, most of you guys don't, because some of you guys are new. Okay, but I won't be stressing that in this video. I'm going to share with you guys some of the latest update by the TBC admin that will give you an idea what the future of TBC really is. So without much ado, let me just step right into it. Okay, so the TBC admin started off by showing this screenshot somewhere in the article, and this is what he wrote. He said, here is a sneak peek at the TBC 009 wallet and coin network upgrades we have been working on for the past 4 months. Most of the upgrades will not really be something you see with your eyes, but let me tell you, this is an overhaul. I've spent more money on this overhaul than all of the money I've ever spent on all of our coin development over the years combined. Most of you are excited about having 15 digits of Kringles instead of just 6 like you see today in your wallet. So what this means is that some upgrades are coming to TBC 009, but you won't need to migrate. But in the process of these upgrades, you will be experiencing some new things like the new way to log into TBC 009. Also, he's talking about complete overhaul of the overhaul of the coin with overhaul. Okay, I don't know what this means, but he said no migration, but he's talking about complete overhaul, so which might mean that we will see a complete change in how our wallet system works. And on top of it, now with these new digits, okay, people can now be able to spend below 1 Kringle. Okay, people can now be able to spend below 1 Kringle with this new development that is coming. Okay, so instead of having just 6 digits, okay, you have 15 digits of Kringle. Okay, so these 15 digits of Kringle is going to enable you to spend below the price of 1 Kringle. This will be interesting when it finally launches. Okay, so it continues that this is just one of the many features that have been included in this upgrade. No migration needed. Like I said before, it will be a reboot, so it will be like you're restarting your laptop, you're restarting your phone. We will spend the next 4 weeks testing out every aspect of this upgrade, and if that goes well, we will roll it out all of you in mid-April 2020, which is mid of next month, so it's not far off. Okay, we will expect all of our members to upgrade. Now, instead of migrating, you guys will be upgrading. So that's why I'm doing this information, sharing this information with you guys. So if you're a TBC member and you're hearing this, spread this information, share this video with every single TBCian out there, because they don't want to miss out like they missed out on the migration. Okay, so this upgrade will end before the end of May 2020. So which is going to be between April and May, so 1 month period for the upgrade to be done. Now, upgrade is free of charge, so spread the news about this upgrade. That's what I'm doing through this video, and that is why I'm urging you guys to watch this video and share it. Do not watch it and keep it for yourself. Watch this video and share it. Okay, so that's the latest update from TBC admin, and I'll share today's send button meeting. So those of you guys who attend the who cannot attend the send button meeting, because send button meeting now is only for those who paid admin fee. Before, it used to be for those who have send button. Now, even if you have paid admin fee but you don't pay admin fee often, you will not be able to attend the send button meeting. So I will also share the summary of the blog, because on every blog about the send button meeting, the agenda or the information to be shared is there. Now, I'm not asking you guys to put your hopes up high, very high, because some of you guys have been disappointed so many times. All I'm asking you guys is to know what is happening in TBC, so that you guys do not get misled by any fake information out there. Okay, like the likes of TBC 9. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Then if you are tired of TBC, or you're looking for an alternative cryptocurrency to invest in, there's a market cryptocurrency that has the potential to create a lot of wealth for you, then you consider TMT, which is the MAT token, the MAT token, formerly known as TBC MAT token. Okay, so guys, the MAT token is totally different from TBC. Okay, TBC is not a market token, and it's not a market cryptocurrency, and I don't know how the TBC admin will provide exchange services for this numerous amount of coins out there. Okay, you have a lot of people becoming billionaires and trillionaires and millionaires on paper, but how to translate it to real cash is the main focus of discussion and main question every single TBCian out there has. Okay, so guys, but that's it for this video. Just want to give you guys this quick update. So make sure you share this video, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you find value in it. Until I see you guys next time, thank you for watching. Remain blessed.